Unboxing your new RX is like discovering a treasure trove of blending goodies. You'll find a powerful 1,700 watt base ready to pulverize your ingredients. The kit includes 2 cups, a 45-ounce oversized cup for larger batches, and a 30-ounce short cup for personal servings. A special SouperBlast pitcher with a 2-piece lid lets you blend hot soups and sauces. The extractor blade effortlessly breaks down tough ingredients. For sipping comfort, there's a lip ring included. You'll also get a Stay Fresh lid to keep your creations fresh. Plus, the handy user guide helps you get started quickly. With all these components, you're set for smoothies, soups, and more. As you'll find out in my NutriBullet RX review, the RX gives you excellent versatility in one compact package. You'll be impressed by the RX's muscle. Its 1,700 watt motor crushes through tough ingredients with ease. The stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down fruits, veggies, and even ice. This power combo means smooth, chunk-free results every time. The RX handles both cold and hot blending tasks. You can whip up frosty smoothies or warm soups in minutes. The large 45-ounce cup is perfect for family-sized batches. For hot blends, the vented pitcher lid lets steam escape safely. While the RX packs serious blending punch, it's not the quietest machine out there. The powerful motor does make some noise during operation, but that's to be expected. Getting your daily dose of nutrition has never been simpler. The RX boasts a user-friendly design that makes blending a breeze. Just toss your ingredients into the cup, attach it to the base, and let it work its magic. No need to fiddle with complicated buttons or settings. The RX's auto start feature is a game changer. It senses when the cup is in place and starts blending automatically. This hands-free operation is perfect for busy mornings or when you're multitasking in the kitchen. You'll appreciate the versatility of the included accessories. The large cup with a handle makes it easy to blend and drink your smoothies on the go, and the pitcher is great for bigger batches or when you're whipping up warm soups. Keeping your NutriBullet RX clean is really easy. After blending, simply rinse the blade with soap and water. The cups, pitcher, and lid are dishwasher safe on the top rack. This makes cleanup quick and easy after whipping up your favorite smoothies or soups. For tougher residue, use the included blade cleaning brush. It's designed to get into tight spots around the blades. Remember to clean the base unit too. A damp cloth works well for wiping it down. Regular maintenance is minimal. Just make sure all parts are dry before storing. This helps prevent mold growth. With proper care, your NutriBullet RX should serve you well for years to come. Next up in my NutriBullet RX review, let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Powerful motor pulverizes tough ingredients. Versatile for smoothies, soups, and sauces. Large capacity cups for family-sized portions. Heated blend cycle for warm recipes. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Durable stainless steel blades. BPA-free plastic cups. As for the cons, higher price point compared to basic blenders. Noisy operation due to powerful motor. Maybe overkill for simple blending tasks. The RX is a powerhouse blender that might be just what you need for your smoothie and soup making adventures. Its 1,700 watt motor can tackle tough ingredients like kale and almonds with ease. You'll appreciate the versatility of the large cups and heating function for warm blends. The RX is user-friendly with hands-free blending and easy cleanup. However, it's pricier than some other models, so consider if you'll use all its features regularly to justify the cost. If you're a smoothie enthusiast or want to experiment with homemade soups, the RX could be a great fit. But if you only need basic blending, a simpler model might suffice. Weigh your needs against the RX's capabilities to decide if it's right for you.